Okay, made it to Pine Mountain.
Look at the purple flower.
Oh, that is pretty, isn't it? Oh, and the kudzu plant that ate the South.
I like this boulder.
Wait a minute, this is Ember's house. That one right there is Ember's house. When she was here last time, she claimed that as her house.
I like this boulder.
That is a nice boulder. We're so corny. We're so corny. He patted the boulder.
I like this too.
Look at the sky. You know, I can't focus on the mountain for focusing on the sky. Sky is beautiful.
Good place to do it.
So let's go. Let's zoom in on that mountain right over there with the sky basically touching the top of it. It's just beautiful. The sun is out. Okay. That is some nice foliage, as Tim would say. That is kudzu. It is not nice foliage. It does not belong here.
I don't know how you zoom on that web.
I was going to say, I see that spider web, but it's not easy for me to see with the naked eye. Okay, so this is actually...
The road has been up this way for a long time.
Yeah, it has. This is actually Dowdell Bluff. This was his Georgia. I'm going to read this one because, let's see, Franklin D. Roosevelt was a frequent visitor, 41 trips to Warm Springs between 1924 and 1945. Dowdell's Knob was one of his favorite spots for both quiet contemplation and picnics. FDR visited this spot overlooking Pine Mountain Valley as a private citizen, as governor of New York, and as 32nd president of the U.S. Whew.
Grill built.
Yeah, I knew that too. It's out here on the point. I'm sorry, I should have kept reading. And you know, he actually died in Warm Springs.
Preferred real silverware.
He died in his bed at the little White House. I'm going over here to sit beside him.
Huh?
I'm going over here to the statue. Okay, well you go that way. I'll go this way. Yeah, that's a longer way to go.
Yeah, but I'm tired of walking on rocks and roots.
Oh man, look out through there.
Give me some pavement.
Look at the sky. All right.
I bet he looked just like that too.
I bet he did. I bet he was happy when he was sitting right there. And I'd sit down beside him, but I do not feel like burning myself. And that flag is flying today. I hope you can see it, because I don't know if I can. Here, take this thing. Whew.
This is the grill that he built right here. Franklin D. Roosevelt loved to picnic here, and he had this grill built. It was filled in to preserve it. And no, that's not Franklin D. Roosevelt, that's my wife. Who is currently in heaven right now.
There's a breeze.
Well, it's also beautiful, beautiful scene. Looks like there's a road over there. Let's see if we can see it. And the clouds are beautiful. That's a nice boulder, dear.